Tell you what, I missed the dirt bikes on these kind of dirt rocky roads. Whoa, these scooters are rough. 0.3 miles to go. Have a look at the places you find. I just went for a cruise down a random dirt road because I've had some water all around it and mountains all around it. And these back roads are littered with homestays, and most of them are beside lakes. Some look to be somewhat man-made, or at least that side it looks man-made. This side not so much. Maybe they just made it look more pretty on that side. Also they could build the road out there perhaps. But what a magic spot. Mountain behind you, beautiful homestay right in front, lake, and behind me, which you guys can't see, more mountains. I love this place. Let's keep exploring. Have a look at this little homestay I found. Instagram spots set up everywhere. Even the homestay out here as well. Just the main part. Kwok Khan Bamboo homestay. It is a new day, as you can see. Just out exploring for a wee little bit. As you saw in those previous clips, going down them dirt roads. And this is the part I love about exploring. You find these random places you never knew existed, and the beauty is just astonishing. I stopped in here at this homestay that had a little platform over the lake built for a coconut shake. Let's have a look around. Alright, I came back to Am Tien because I'm not sure I actually saw Am Tien Cave. I saw a cave up in the temple, up on one side of the mountain, but there's heaps of other places and a huge lake here to explore, so I'm back again. Come on. Alright, this time I went right from the tunnel. Last time I went left, and in the far distance over there is where we climbed up. And the weird thing is this lake doesn't even appear on maps. Push bike would be magic, extra 50,000 if you want to push bike. Now it's a big lake, a long walk around, so push bike makes very short work of it. Some kind of temple style looking building. I'm going to climb up there and have a look. See down here the steps. Go back way into it. The door's locked so you can't get in that way, so I guess that's why nobody uses it, but there was a rear entrance to this place initially. And there are some overgrown stairs that go that way as well. I would love to know where they go. Yeah, there's a whole nother platform there, completely overgrown. There's even that huge tree, sort of frangipani, growing out the top of it. Super cool. Shortcut down. Alright, so as it turns out, the cave was that one we did last time. It's at the opposite end. I did get to check out the big gate style building at that side, and got to walk around the lake this time, so not a complete waste coming back. Still would have been fun with the bike. Lanterns were in the tunnel last time, at least not as far as my memory serves. Alright, because I did actually do the cave last time, now I might try and find that Tricky's Craft Beer place to finish off the afternoon, since it was pretty much of a nothing day. Let's try and finish with something cool. Let's go! Had to cut that video short. I'm back in the room now, I've had a shower, I'm nice and warm because I got drenched. I ended up catching up with JC just before, or just after I left the cave, or the temple complex where the lake was. And yeah, the storm came out and it was, oh, where's the light? And it was horrendous. We tried stopping underneath a tree, put the wet weather thing over the bag, whatever you call it. And a huge canopy of trees, tried hiding under them, but as soon as the tree got satched, then it all just started falling down there and we were still drenched standing under the tree. So we decided to make a run for it back to the homestay, yeah. And yeah, drowned rats. Even the bag got a little bit wet underneath that rain cover. The shoes are full of water again, just like happened on the bike trip. So that's going to make for an uncomfortable day or two with wet shoes. So hair dryer in the shoes, trying to dry it out a little bit. Anyway, thanks for watching. That'll be the end of this video. Please give it a like, share it with your mum, share it with your friends, and we'll catch you on the next one. Ciao.